morning, everyone. Today, I would like to share my critical analysis of the speech about climate change and the important role that young people can play in protecting our planet. And the speaker begins by telling a personal story about riding in taxi in New Delhi, India, where thick smoke made it almost impossible to see the road. And I think this was a really effective opening because it immediately caught my attention and made the problem feel real. And not just something we read about in books. And after that, he explained how carbon dioxide causes problems such as melting polar ice, rising sea levels, and damage to coral reefs. And he also talk about renewable energy, especially solar powers, as one of the solution to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In my opinion, the speaker's arguments are convincing because he combines personal experience with scientific facts instead of only talking about environmental problems, and he also offers practical solutions such as saving electricity and using renewable energy. And this makes this speech more inspiring because it encourages people to take actions instead of only feeling worth. And however, I think there are few weaknesses in the speech. Some of the statistics are mentioned without explaining where they come from, so it will be more confusing if the speaker include the source. And I also think the speech focus mostly on solar energy, while there are many other important solutions such as improving public transportation, planting more trees, reducing plastic waste, and strengthening environmental policies. And overall, I believe this is a powerful and motivating speech. It reminds us that climate change is not just a problem for the future, it is already affecting many people around the world, especially those who contribute the least to pollution. And personally, I believe young people have a very important role in fighting climate change. Of course, yeah, we can start with simple actions like reducing the use of single-use plastic, saving saving electricity, using public transportation, and whenever possible, and joining environmental activities in our communities. And we can also use social media to spread reliable information and encourage others to care about the environment. And small action may seem insignificant, but if millions of young people do them together, they can create a hug impact. And to conclude, I agree with the speaker that our generation should stop ignoring climate change and start taking responsibility. And we only have one planet, and the future and the future depends on the choice we make today. Thank you. I'm Nabila Artha Noviyanthie. Thank you.